Welcome to OnContact CRM training. In this video, we will learn about advanced search features in CRM 10. For this training, we will use the activity search. So to get started, please open it by clicking Activities on the navigation menu. Note the following information applies to all navigation menu searches and not just activity. Starting with layout options, fields on both the criteria and result areas can be changed. To do this for criteria fields, click the Options button on the top right and then click Select Fields. Check the Visible checkbox next to the columns you'd like to see and uncheck Visible for columns you'd like to hide. Click the checkbox on the upper right to save your changes. For additional field choices, reopen Select Fields and click Plus to open the field picker. Check next to the columns you'd like to see and then click Save. Click the check mark to save your choices and close the field picker. Next, let's check out result layout options. Note that you will not see your result column changes unless there are some records present in the results area, so let's retrieve a few activity records at this time. To change the result fields, first switch to List View. Next, click the Options button just above the Results area, and then click Select Fields. Check the checkbox next to columns you'd like to see, and uncheck the checkbox next to columns you'd like to hide. For additional field choices, reopen Select Fields and click Plus to open the field picker. Again, check next to the columns you'd like to see, and then click Save, and then click the check mark to save your choices and close the field picker. Note that layout changes are user-based, so every user can set their search fields to their individual liking without overriding other users' preferences. Next, let's build a saved search. Saved searches have predefined criteria and retrieve the information you want with a single click. As an example, let's build a search that shows all the call activities that you've logged this month. To build this search, click the Filter button, which opens the Filter dialog. Click the Search button on the Select Field column, scroll down the list, and click Start Date. Leave the operator set to equals, and click the gear icon next to the Value field. Choose this month from the drop-down. Click the check mark on the upper right twice, and then click Plus to add another column to the filter. Scroll down and click Representative Activity Assigned to User. Leave the operator set to equals. Click the gear icon next to the Value field and choose the only option from the drop-down, which is Current User. Click the checkmark icon twice. Click Plus to add another column to the filter, and click Activity Action. Leave the operator set to In. Click the Value drop-down and check all of the call-related action codes. Note these might be different in your CRM compared to what you're seeing in the video. Click the checkmark on the upper right 3 times, and the search will run, showing your call activities. If you'd like to save this search, click the menu button on the far right side and choose the Save As option. Type in a name for your search, and then select a group from the drop-down. The public group will make the search available to all CRM users. Once saved, your search will appear in the list of saved searches under the main activity search for future use, so you won't have to build a filter every time you'd like to run the search. Any number of saved searches can be built and saved for any of the different search types. And this concludes our CRM 10 Advanced Search Features video. We hope you found the information here valuable. Feel free to contact us with questions or suggestions.